The next kanji. This kanji has three sounds. The first one, azukaru, azukaru. The second, azukeru, azukeru. The third, yo, yo. And the meaning is to give or to take charge of deposit. And why we know how to read the kanji? It depends to the sentence and the meaning of the word. So you just remember these sounds or this pronunciation and the meaning, and when you learn Japanese more, you will know how to read. Please let's look at some example of the kanji of azukaru. Azuke king, kimani, yogen, a prophecy,